The ONLYFIRE Camp Rocket Stove stands out as a compact 3-in-1 cooker that lets you grill, fry, and boil on the same sturdy base without hauling a full camp kitchen. Its cast iron griddle, stainless steel cooking grate, and cookware support feel solid in use and give you enough flexibility to handle breakfast, burgers, or a big stew with equal confidence. Because it burns small pieces of wood, twigs, pine cones, and other natural debris, this stove is easy to keep fed in the field and works well for off-grid or emergency cooking. The angled fuel chamber and sliding air vents make it simple to control the fire, while also making ash removal far less of a chore after a long day outside. Heavy-gauge carbon steel construction, combined with rust-resistant finishes and rugged cooking surfaces, gives the stove a reassuringly durable feel for frequent camping and backyard sessions. With a built-in handle, stable cross cooktop, and quick setup, this stove is very convenient for camping, tailgating, patio gatherings, and as a practical gift for outdoor-focused friends.